This was an extremely bipartisan session. That's pretty extraordinary.
Oregon's short legislative session wrapped up Thursday, 3 days before the actual deadline. The 32-day session focused heavily on passing Measure 110 reforms and Governor Tina Kotek's housing package.
We did a lot of work on housing, including the passage of the governor's housing bill, and we did a lot of work on addictions and public safety in a huge package of investments and some new misdemeanor language that will affect possession of hard drugs.
Southern Jackson County Representative Pam Marsh said one surprising focus this session was the campaign finance reform bill.
I did not see that coming when we started the short session, but there were some very intense negotiations that went on between a number of different entities who all have an interest in campaign finance reform from different perspectives. And as a result, they were able to give us a bill that we all agreed to.
This bill will limit donations from people and organizations to a legislative candidate. Political campaigns on both the local and state level will also be required to submit expenditure reports showing where funding came from if the donation is over $5,000. While many of the bills related to wildfire protections were not passed this session, a wildfire relief tax exemption bill did make it through to the governor's desk.
Unfortunately, I have had too many of my residents in my district, from Curry to Douglas counties, lose their homes due to wildfire. This is a pretty exceptional bill to help them with those tax relief dollars.
Representative Marsh says though she is disappointed wildfire funding was not approved, there is still funding in the budget to continue wildfire relief efforts through this year.
We know that we need to do all the prevention work possible in order to keep our communities as safe as possible.
Some of the other bills that didn't make it to the governor's desk this session include the book ban bill and a bill that would keep Oregon on permanent standard time. The governor now has 30 days to sign bills before they go into law. In Medford, Taylor Ann Sherez, NBC5 News.